Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Y'all, I am here to do a little bit of an update on my sleep study. So I got my results. Yeah, the word that stuck out to me was extreme. It seems like they kept saying extreme. So, and then, they sent me all the stuff, a whole bunch of stuff I didn't understand. Lots of paperwork, lots of numbers and charts and things, and I'm like, oh my goodness. They told me that I had a couple options. I could do a CPAP, and that would be covered under my insurance, or I could do something called an INAP, which is not covered under my insurance, at $1,500. So I've done a CPAP before, and I'm very allergic to whatever they put in those hoses. And so I would be broke out all the time. And I had, Callie's over there playing, this humongous, Daniel called it headgear, because, I mean, that thing to hold my chin shut. And it was all, I literally had to put like 3 things on at night. And it was so much trouble. And I ended up returning the thing and saying, forget it. Because, at that point they were saying I just had mild. Well, now they're saying that I have an extreme case. And so I was looking at my paperwork. Y'all, my oxygen level is getting down in the low 80s at night. So what they're saying is they think my tongue is falling back down and I'm choking and I'm not breathing at night, and that's why I'm not sleeping. So me and hubby are trying to figure out what we're going to do, how we're going to pay the $1,500. We're calling insurance. We're trying, to figure all this stuff out. This INAP thing, it's only about 3 years old, and it goes in your mouth, and it is a negative pressure instead of a positive pressure, which positive pressure is what the CPAP is. So instead of all the headgear, it'll be something that goes in my mouth. A hose will come out, and a little, they called it like flask sized, just a small little thing that you can hang on your headboard. I think that's what we're going to try to do, but money was already tight, so I'm probably not going to be making as many videos. I'm not canceling the channel completely, but I am canceling a lot of my subscription boxes, so we are not going to see as much stuff. I'm going to try to do videos here and there as I can, but y'all, it's not going to be the same. So I just wanted to give you a little update on what's going on. I haven't fallen off the face of the earth. I've just had to scale back a lot. And it's hard to keep the channel going when you're scaling back so much. So I'm going to miss y'all. But I'm going to try to be back. Hopefully we can get all this stuff taken care of. We've got a lot of stuff we need to do to the house. We keep putting it off. The budget I have has been eating into our budget to do that stuff. So hopefully one day it'll be back to where it was, but not right now. Because I got to get my sleep right, because these headache days are just killing me. And they say the headaches are from, not breathing at night. Anyway, I will keep you updated. I'll show you the machine once I finally get it. I have an appointment the 24th to do that. And, yeah, I just wanted to give you the update. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll still subscribe and try to keep up and see what's going to happen with the channel, because right now I just don't know. But I love you. Y'all, God bless.